guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and an unboxing of the METCON 7 in smoke grey. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up. We want to see those likes. It helps us with the algorithms. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we aren't able to do this. So thank you. Let's get into it. So today we've got a look at the Nike training shoe, and it's the Nike training METCON 7s, and we've got this in the light grey, smoke grey. And it is in the UK size 8 to European 42.5, and it's the US men's size 9. Now, we've done tons of Nike reviews, and the way that you kind of differentiate what kind of shoes are for what. So you have the Nike red with the Nike lettering, that's on a lot of their lifestyle sneakers. When we see the orange box, that's when they're training and multiple purpose athletics. We're lucky enough to have a pair of the METCON 7s, which is the most updated ones. And here we go. Look at this. Really dope, low cut, great sneakers for training. It's multi-purpose. You can use it for a wide range, lifting, lots of cardio work, calisthenics as well. Overall, this sneaker is multi-purpose for any kind of workout. As I mentioned, you can do your squats. There's an array actually, so you know what, I'm getting ahead of myself. We'll break it down why there's numbers. It's very integral to the sneaker, but we'll start with the outsole. So this outsole is an all rubber purpose outsole, multi-traction patterning here, as you can see on the forefoot. And at the back here, there's a shank plate for your stability. As you can see here as well, it's wide from edge to edge. Again, it's for the stability. You're going to be doing a lot of squats. You want to distribute the weight equally amongst the surface area of your underside of your feet. Let me just put this up so you can see the little where it curves here, the forefoot. What's great about this sneaker is that each function, each part of the sneaker is numbered around the sneaker. There's 10 parts. Whilst me and Jeff were having a look at this sneaker, we can't find a 10th. It might be the sneaker overall, but we'll get there. We'll start there in chronological order. So starting with number 1, all of it is listed in the insole. You can see it here. And it starts with number 1. So part number 1 is right here in this orange, this elevated heel that you can see here. It's great for the stability for every rep that you do. Just gives you more balance. Number 2 is right here at the forefoot. So as I mentioned, you can bend this part. This is for, well, it's built for 800 meters runs. So you can see it there. It's that nice Nike React technology, great for running, to bounce yourself back up. Number 3. And number 3 is above number 1 here on this quite turquoise. I don't know what kind of, it looks turquoise to me. This little clip at the end. So there's like 3 clips that make the heel. So you got the elevated heel, number 1 for squats. Here, this is for your handstand press ups. So when you're against the wall, nice to help balance yourself, because handstands are really difficult to do. I can just about do one, but when it comes to handstand press-ups, boy, I don't have that upper body strength, as you can see. Moving on towards number 4, and number 4 is more or less where the rubber extends towards the side of your feet. You can see it there, number 4, and that's for the rope climbing, extra grip. And you can see by the way that it's shaped, that it's cut, you can easily grip some rope. Whilst we're looking at the upper of the sneaker, just before I delve into the other functions of this multi-purpose sneaker, the upper is made out of a synthetic materials, sort of mesh, great for the breathability. You got some bits of TPU plastics making the middle of the sneaker here on the medial side. So obviously that's there when you're doing your rope climbs, protects the inside of your feet. The tongue, it's got a very, very nice, easy lacing system, flat laces, and Number 8, well, I'm jumping ahead of myself. It's part of the laces. We'll get into that when I move to number 8 of the many functions of this multi-purpose sneaker. And very nicely padded tongue. Obviously, you're going to be doing a lot of work in these sneakers, and you want the top of your feet to be nicely protected and offering that form of comfort. The toe box area, so you've got heat pressed plastics to help not scuff your toes. Again, we look at that heel clip here where the rubber extends, just there for your traction, for the grip. And you can see in the heel with the 3 stages, 3 multi-purpose of this heel clip here. Very nicely padded ankle area and support there to help your feet stay put in these sneakers, or the sneakers stay put on your feet, that's what I mean, on these multifunctional sneakers. And if you look at the wrap around the heel as well, you got more synthetic uppers. It's like a ballistic armor here. That makes number 6. So let's continue from our list here, and we are on number 5. It's the grip. Now, there is no number 5 printed. Me and Jeff have had a look around because I just wanted to get a sense check with Jeff, and we can't find number 5, but what I'm assuming it is the outsole. But if any METCON heads out there who know better than me, obviously there's tons of you, let us know in the comment section below. I'd like to know where number 5 is. If I'm wrong in assuming that is the outsole, because of the name, the grip, I'm just assuming. But again, it's all assumption. Let us know in the comment section below if you know. Number 6 is stability, and it is here where you got this rounded bit around the back of the sneaker. Again, it's there, it's in the name, it's there for the stability for your feet, for this multifunctional sneaker. Going to number 7, the comfort. So number 7 is here on this ankle support just by your heel. So it's there for the comfort of your heel and your ankles, because you don't want to break your ankles or anything during an intense workout. Number 8 is the lace. So what I like about the laces here is that you've got kind of like a 2-way system of safely locking your feet, your laces, I mean, sorry. So you can lock it here and do bunny ears, or if you want a proper lockdown feature, normally like so, to help not make your laces a bit loose when you tie them up. I'll give you a demonstration when I do the on feet. Number 9 is the vent. So you can see number 9 is here on the upper. So as I mentioned, that upper is a breathable mesh. That vent just helps your feet breathe whilst you're working out. You don't want sweaty feet when you're working out, but it's bound to happen. This will just help minimize any odors and help your feet breathe. And it's number 10. So number 10, like number 5, I can't find, but it says durability. So I can only assume that is the whole sneaker around, because by the looks of it, this sneaker is multifunctional. You can do tons of workouts, and the fact that it's made out of loads of materials, it just shows that it's durable. You can use it for, again, like I mentioned, tons of workout. You can do it for calisthenics, you can do it for your normal weight training, running, etc. However you guys want to do it. I'm really excited to try this on, actually, just to try out the laces, see how the comfortability is, because we've not touched upon how good it is inside, because you want comfortable shoes whilst you're working out. And yeah, I'm really excited, actually. So roll that footage of me trying these on. I'm wearing these Nike cargo trousers just to go alongside these Nike METCON 7s. Now, they feel a bit tight on the top, but that's because I proper laced it up and used the lace lock. But these are really great. I just demonstrated some squats and I feel like it's secured my feet here. My toes are where they need to be. Apart from the top feeling a bit tight, these are really comfortable. I can feel whilst I was doing some squats, I could feel I was able to propel myself a bit more easier, and it held my weight as I put all my weight down onto my feet. I think I will be doing a lot more exercise with these on, so I highly recommend it. These are really comfortable as well, look great, so you can get some heads in the gym probably asking you where you get your trainers from. So hopefully you get that as well as a good workout, which is the most important thing. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with Z at the end on Instagram. Until next time, peace.